So let me tell you one very interesting fact before we will going to begin today. Just I would like to ask you one question though before we will going to begin. I have a question. My question is because see how I see how I look mathematics is mathematics start from a kindergarten onwards. Right. At the time, we
Hmm.
are learning a simple counting. One, two, three, four. Do you had the idea at that time that you in mathematics all these are the topics that okay,
No,
trigonometry, at the
no.
time, obviously, when we are a
Yeah.
young, I mean, at that age, we know that it's a counting only. Slowly, slowly, we realize no, it's beyond that. We do have something called as addition. Then we realize we have something called as subtraction, also multiplication, division. Then we think, okay, this is what mathematics is. But slowly, slowly, we come to know, no, we do have something called as a fractions. We do have decimals as well. Then we think that this is mathematics, but slowly, slowly we will realize that we do have something
There's
called as
more.
pre-algebra, variables, constant,
Yeah.
exponents, powers, so many things we realize, right? So
Hmm.
I will tell you one thing, how I will going to train you when it comes to the uh, pre-calculus part. Just I will going to give you the glimpse of that today. But for that, how we will going to relate this? Along with this, I will going to give you the glimpse of how we have to apply all these facts also over here. Even if we are adding the function, if we are multiplying, so these basics should always be strong, followed by we will going to have the bit introduction to this pre-calculus.
Hmm.
All right. I would like to know one more thing from you. How would you like to rate yourself on a scale of 10? How well you are with the basic multiplication? When I say basic multiplication, maybe table up to 8, 9, or something like that. How well
I'd,
you are
I'd
with
say
that?
I'd say 10, yeah. Like if it's pretty basic ones, then yeah. Ones that we've known since we were younger.
See that that's a basic one already because
Mhm.
after that we can do anything. What do I mean by that? Okay, like can you quickly tell me what is 8 times 8?
Huh?
8 times 8.
Oh, 64,
7 times 7,
49,
9 times 9,
81,
6 times 6,
36.
35 times 35.
That one I don't know.
Mhm. All right. So, what is this? What I asked you, can you tell me that? What do we call this?
Multiplication
Multiplication of what?
of like the same number, like squares.
Yeah. Can I say multiplication of squares? Yeah, very well done. See, that's why I feel mathematics is very interesting subject. Why? Because see, immediately this is what is happening. Immediately I ask you, but I really want to okay, 10. I want to give 10 on 10 to you. Why? Because see, immediately I ask you 8 times 8, you are 64. 9 times 9, 81. 7 times 7, 49. 6 times 6, 36. So you are very good with the basic multiplication. But of course, when it comes to a little higher, at that time we will get little stuck. But in this session today, I will going to give you first this glimpse. That's why mathematics is interesting, and we will be applying this concept all over. Maybe in the future, if you are going for any SAT type of examination or
Hmm.
any other, at that time we will be applying so many facts. Now, I will tell you in another 5 minutes, I will make you a kind of calculators. Like for example, if I will ask you after that, what is 35 times 35? You will be like 1225. If I will ask you 95 times 95, you will be saying 9025. 85 times 85, 5625. 65 times 65, 4225. That quick you will be. Same. The way you are answering this 9 times 9, 8 times 8, 7 times 7, same quick you will be. Would you like to learn that one small fact about
Yeah,
this?
yeah, sure.
Okay, that's great. All right, just a second. All right, is my screen visible?
Yeah, I can see it.
Perfect, perfect. So since you know that the question which I asked you was the squares of a number, now let me tell you one thing over here. When I say squares of a number here, so let's suppose today I will going to give you only one glimpse in each and every session of mine. You will come to know something very interesting, extra fact, and its application as well. Not only the fact why we are learning this, you will
Why?
come to know. So today I will going to tell you little bit of square of number,
Multiple numbers.
square of number, maybe yeah, multiplication, square of a number ending with 5. Let's take very particular square of number ending with 5. A number that ends at 5. For a two digit only, we will be going to do it first. Square of a number ending with 5. When I say ending with 5, can you give me any number that ends at 5? First, you give me two digits. Slowly, slowly, I will take you to 3, 4, 5 digit as well.
25
Obviously. 15, 25, 35, all these numbers, isn't it?
ends with 5.
Yes. Likewise, anyways, this is something. Then, of course, we can even go in three digit, four digit, and all.
Mhm.
So, always remember one very interesting fact. Always remember 25 is the magic number.
Oh,
Always remember this. The 325 is the magic number. 25 is the magic number. And when do I say 25 is the magic number? You know why it is called as a magic number? Because it has actually created one very interesting magic. What is that magic? Let me tell you, always remember the three when any of the number is ending at 5, its last two digit is always and always 25, irrespective of anything. Doesn't matter 5 digit, 6 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 1 digit, whatever it is, last two digit is always 25. And the answer in the square, last two digit is always 25.
front.
What you have to do next, the three, you have to multiply this number, you have to time this number with the number that is after this number. You have to time this number, you have to multiply this number with the number that is after this number. So may I know the three, what comes after one?
2,
What is one time two?
2.
Answer is 225. Square of 15 is 225. Let me repeat once again. For example, randomly 65. I said 25 is always there, no doubt in that. Always and
Mhm.
always, ever. This number you have to multiply with the number that comes after this number. What comes after 6, the 3?
Oh, 7. So it'd be
7.
4225.
Wow. That's amazing. I told you that in another 5 minutes you will be like a calculator, and you have proven that your grasping power is actually good, to be very honest. Like the way you have grasped it, immediately you have grabbed it. That's perfect.
Mhm.
All right, now then it is over to you only, the entire thing. Can you help me with the 25 then quickly?
With what? With 25?
25 times 25.
Oh, 25 times 25 is 625.
Wow, amazing. Under 5 seconds, not even more than that you are taking. How about 35?
Uh, 1225.
I'm actually impressed. I'm actually impressed the way you are answering this. Wow, that's amazing. How about 45? Good. Keep it up.
2000, wait, 2025.
Perfect. Perfect. 2025. That's amazing. How about 55?
3020, 3025.
3025. 3025. That's amazing again. How about 75? 75, 75. Because 65 already done.
Mhm. 5625.
Yes. Wow, there we go. And how about 85?
7,225.
Yes. 85 times 85 is 7,225. And how about 95?
9,025.
9,025. Can you try for last one, not five as well? Though we will be doing this in the future as well, but yeah, little bit clips.
11,025.
Yes. Wow, that's amazing. Very well done. Very well done. So that's why mathematics is actually interested. Now, I'm damn sure after understanding this much of a fact, I'm damn sure you might be thinking or you might have somewhere in the mind that all right, I got it. Square of a number ending with 5. That's easy, super easy. But what if it is not ending with 5? Isn't it? Are you getting this? That what if it is not ending with 5? Maybe
Oh, okay.
99,
Hmm.
maybe 96, 58,
Yeah.
34, 26, 21. Isn't it?
No, yeah, it doesn't end with five.
Yes. So now I will help you with this also, but yes, of course, in the future sessions, I will be telling you these techniques as well. Actually, we have a technique for everything. I will tell you that as well for other number. This technical is actually has some limitation. What is limitation? Only it is applicable for square of a number ending with 5. But other than that, we have a very interesting magic again. That's again a magic. Obviously, we will not going to do with the paper and pen. That's also in the mind only. After that, you will be like, what is 96 times 96? You will be like 9216. Okay. What is
Mm.
54 times 54? You will be like 2916. What is 107 times 107? You will be like 11449. What is 98 times 98? You will be like 9604. That's how we will going to process, but not today, of course. In the next session, we will going to learn that from the next session onwards. I will
Hmm.
tell you how I divide this task as well.